Hello and welcome to Restoring from the Jungle Disk Network Drive. So for this video, I'm going to open my Jungle Disk Network Drive. Here it is, the J drive. I'm going to accidentally delete some data. So accidentally go bye-bye. I accidentally deleted those. We've got a bunch of missing data there. Well, let's go ahead and just delete it all. Hey. Okay, all that data's been deleted, it's gone. And let's go ahead and restore it. Open the Jungle Disk Activity Monitor. If you don't see it, you can go down to your system tray here, and you'll see it there. Open it up. Click the Restore Files button, and we're going to choose to restore from the network drive. Hit OK. And you'll see the contents of our drive as it is now. And we want to restore a deleted file or previous version. But before we do that, we're going to choose a directory to restore to. To make this simple, on my desktop, I'm going to create a new folder called JD Restore. We'll restore there. Confirm. And we're going to choose a deleted file or previous version. And there they are. So we're going to add all of these to restore. Click Add File to restore. There are some restore options here. Generally, I'll deselect the second box to keep things simple. And we're going to hit OK. I'm going to confirm down here. Ensure everything you want restored is showing up. And hit Start Restore. The data is restoring. And we'll fast forward a little bit. Looks like it's done. Let's take a look at our directory on our desktop where we chose to restore. And there are my files. They've been restored. I can go ahead and put them back onto my network drive. You can restore directly to the network drive, but a lot of times I recommend creating a new folder on the desktop just to keep things simple. And it looks like we're all set there. I did want to show one more thing. If you choose to restore files, you can see a few different options here. You can choose files that were deleted or previous versions of files, or you can choose to restore files and folders as the way they existed at a certain point in time. This is very helpful because sometimes you may not know exactly what is missing. So what you could do is roll this back to a point in time before you know the data was deleted, and you could look at that directory exactly as it looked on that date. Unfortunately for this example, this directory didn't exist on the first. If you want to restore directly back to the network drive, you can choose this option to restore to the original remote folder. That's fine. But again, like I said, I generally recommend putting it onto your desktop. And that's about it, a straightforward video. I hope you had a good time.